Hello my friends, welcome home. On the menu we have steak au poivre. The main ingredient will of course be quality beefsteaks, AAAs from Quebec. Net weight 2 pounds, about 10 ounces each. My side dish will be my cherry vine tomatoes. And fried potatoes country style. It means with the skin on. The shallot will be for the sauce. For the sauce, a lot of small ingredients that I will tell you as I move along, including my veal brown stock. You know it, it's on my channel. First step, the beef can go chill in the fridge. Now we start with what cooks the longest. It's the potatoes. Potatoes like this, white knife of course. Potatoes cut in 2, and 2, 4. It's all there. Potatoes in the bowl. In the meantime, I preheat my fryer at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat on high. We go on, 2, and 2, 4. It's all there. One last one. Knife in the sink. Impeccable. The fryer is now at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The potatoes in the basket, bowl in the sink, and the fries go in. Actually, I'm blanching them, which means that I give them a first heat. We wait for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll take care of the shallots. Shallots, table, red knife, of course. I slice them thinly. Slice, flip, and shear. Another one. Flip, shear. Shallot in the bowl. We go on. Shallot, bowl. Sieve, knife in the sink. After 4 minutes, the potatoes are cooked. Fire, turn off and strain. Now we move on to the steak. We're tidying up. Stock in the back, pan in the front. Heat on high. I preheat my pan to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're still tidying up. The white one, he's going to lie down. My pan is at 400 degrees. The oil, a drop. The steaks come in the way. Tongs, and off we go. A pinch of salt. After a minute, steaks flip. A pinch of salt. And 1 more minute. After another minute, it should be ready. Steaks, we take them out. Shallots in the pan. And we're going to sweat them out with a slight coloration. There's not enough fat. Butter, a bit just like that. We make them sweat with a little bit of coloration. My shallots have sweated well with light coloration. Flipply flap. Now black pepper. Mignonette black pepper, 3 steaks, 3 spoons. 1, 2, and 3. Spatula. We give it a stir. Flipply flap. The steaks come back. Cognac, and we're flaming. Flipply flap. Steaks we reserve. Red wine. We reduce it. A pinch of salt. Reduction is half done. Now brown stock. 2 ladles. And we leave it to reduce. My stock has been reduced by half. Now cream. Liquid cream, 15%, about 9 ounces. And leave it to reduce. During the reduction, I preheat the pan for the tomatoes. A knob of butter, the butter is melted. Tomatoes like this. Flipply flap. A little bit of salt, and we cook them slowly. My sauce has a nice thick consistency. Fire off. Steak, I put them in the sauce, just to keep them warm without cooking them. Flipply flap. And there it is. The steaks are warm, tomatoes are ready. Let's move on to the fries. The oil is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The basket goes up, the fries like this. Fries go in just for a minute. After 1 minute, the fries should be ready. Heat off, bowl can come in the way, shake it. Indeed, they're ready. Salt, of course, paper, it's done. Flipply flap. Impeccable. Now let's plate up. Plate like this. Fries here. Quality control, yellow knife, super neat. Tomatoes, we equalize. That's enough. Now steaks come in the way. A plate for the drops. A bit sauce here and there. Impeccable. Visual quality control, steak like this. Big red knife, bias cut. Cooking is well centered, medium rare, impeccable. Of course, the type of cooking is up to you. Maître D, the steaks au poivre for table 55 are ready. Thank you to those of you watching from Brazil and everywhere else. See ya, bye.